Hello, and welcome to Listen and Learn. I'm really happy you are here today. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon. This helps you get every new English lesson, and it also helps this channel grow. Thank you so much for your support. Now, take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Put on your headphones if you can. In today's video, you will listen to a very interesting story. This story is not just for fun. This story will help you grow your English level. And most importantly, this story will help you build confidence. You do not need perfect English to watch this video. You do not need strong grammar. You do not need big vocabulary. You only need one thing. You need the desire to learn. How this video will help you. Let me explain how this video helps you. First, you will listen to simple English. The sentences are clear. The speed is natural, not too fast, not too slow. Second, you will learn new words in context. That means you learn words inside a story. This is the best way to remember English. Third, you will feel confident because the story shows that mistakes are okay. Slow progress is okay. Fear is normal. Fourth, this video is perfect for beginners, intermediate learners, advanced learners. Beginners can listen and understand. Intermediate learners can improve fluency. Advanced learners can feel relaxed and natural. You can listen only, listen and repeat, or listen and shadow the voice. Use this video every day. Your English will slowly grow, and one day you will feel proud. Now, let's start the story. Story intro: A Simple Life. This is the story of a young person named Ian. Ian was not special. Ian was not rich. Ian was not confident. Ian lived in a small town. The town was quiet. Life was simple. Every morning, Ian woke up early. Ian helped the family. Then Ian went to work. Ian had one big problem. Ian understood English, but Ian could not speak English. When people spoke English, Ian understood many words. But when Ian tried to speak, the mouth felt heavy, the mind felt empty, the heart felt afraid. The fear of speaking English. Ian was afraid of speaking English, afraid of mistakes, afraid of laughter, afraid of wrong pronunciation. Every time Ian wanted to speak, a voice inside said, "What if you are wrong? What if they laugh? What if you sound stupid?" So Ian stayed quiet. In class, Ian did not speak. At work, Ian did not speak. With friends, Ian did not speak. Ian listened. Ian understood. But Ian stayed silent. This silence slowly became painful. A moment of realization. One day, something happened. Ian was traveling on a bus. A foreign traveler sat next to Ian. The traveler smiled and said, "Hello, how are you?" Ian understood the question. Ian knew the answer, but Ian froze. The mouth did not move. The heart beat fast. After a few seconds, Ian softly said, "I am fine." The traveler smiled again. That smile stayed in Ian's mind all day. Ian thought, "I can speak. I am just afraid. I don't need perfect English." That day, something changed. The decision to change. That night, Ian made a decision. I will not wait for perfect English. I will start with small steps. I will stop being afraid. Ayan did not join expensive courses. Ayan did not buy big books. Ayan did something simple. Ayan started listening every day. Short videos, simple stories, clear English, just like this video. Daily practice habit. Every day, Ayan followed a routine. Morning, listen to English for 15 minutes. Afternoon, repeat simple sentences. Night, think in English before sleep. Ayan spoke alone. Ayan spoke to the mirror. Ayan spoke slowly. Many mistakes happened, but Ayan did not stop. Mistakes became teachers. Fear became smaller. Confidence became stronger. Slow but real progress. After 1 month, something changed. English felt easier. Words came faster. Fear became weaker. After 3 months, Ayan could speak short sentences. Ayan could ask questions. Ayan could answer confidently. The English was not perfect, but it was real English. And real English is better than silent perfection. The big test. One day, Ayan had a big chance. At work, a foreign client came. Everyone looked nervous. The manager asked, "Who can talk to the client?" The room was silent. Ayan felt fear again. But this time, Ayan raised a hand. The voice was not strong, but it was honest. "I can try." Speaking with confidence. Ayan spoke slowly. Simple words, clear sentences. Mistakes happened, but communication worked. The client smiled. The manager smiled. That day, Ayan learned a big lesson. Confidence is more important than perfection. Now, this story is talking to you. If you feel afraid, it's okay. If you feel slow, it's okay. If you make mistakes, it's okay. English is not a test. English is a tool. Use it, practice it, enjoy it. Remember this: you do not need to speak fast. You do not need big words. You only need courage. Listen every day. Speak a little every day. Trust the process. Your English will grow. Your confidence will grow. And one day, you will smile like Ayan. Confidence grows inside. After that day, Ayan felt different. The fear was still there, but it was smaller. Confidence does not come suddenly. Confidence grows slowly. Every small success gives power. Ayan understood one truth. You don't become confident first. You become confident by speaking. This is very important for you to remember. English is a skill, not talent. Many people think, English is not for me. I don't have talent. My brain is weak. This is not true. English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. You learned to walk by falling. You learned to talk by making sounds. English is the same. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are steps forward. One day, someone asked Ayan, "How did you improve your English?" Ayan smiled and said, "I listened every day. I spoke even when I was afraid. I stopped waiting for perfect English. Soon, people started asking Ayan for help. Ayan became an example, not because Ayan was perfect, but because Ayan was brave. Listening was the key. Listening helps you understand sentence patterns, learn natural pronunciation, feel the rhythm of English. When you listen a lot, your brain learns automatically. You don't need to memorize rules all the time. Your brain is smart. Trust it. Thank you for listening. If this story helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to Listen and Learn for more English stories, daily practice, and confidence-building lessons. Share this video with someone who is learning English. You are not alone. We are learning together. Take a deep breath. You did well today. See you in the next lesson.